A knock from Child Protective Services at your door is one of the most stressful moments any Washington parent can face. But before you panic, take a deep breath. The choices you make in the next few minutes matter more than you might realize. First, remember, you do not have to let a CPS caseworker into your home unless they have a court order, a warrant, or law enforcement is responding to an emergency. Politely say, "I do not consent to entry." This is your right, and it does not make you look guilty. You can also ask the caseworker to explain the general nature of their visit. Write down what they tell you. And if you feel unsure, you can decline to answer questions and ask to speak with an attorney first. What you say at the door can be shared with law enforcement, so it's smart to be cautious. If the caseworker asks to see your children, you can bring them to the door or a window without inviting anyone inside. Stay calm and keep the interaction brief. Never sign documents or agree to a voluntary placement without legal advice. If your child is removed, a court must review the case within 72 hours, excluding weekends and holidays. You have the right to an attorney even if you can't afford one. Knowing your rights and staying calm puts you in the strongest position to protect your family.